Jammu and Kashmir has reported over 1,000 cases of dengue, with the majority of 659 cases recorded in Jammu district, prompting authorities to intensify preventive measures to contain the menace. Officials said 10 sentimental surveillance hospitals with diagnostic facilities are functional in the division. They said a total of 1,078 cases of dengue have been reported in the Union Territory, with the majority of cases in districts of Jammu, Kathua and Samba. The Malariologist Office and civic bodies have intensified the preventive measures to control the rising cases of dengue in the Jammu division. They have also intensified the ongoing vector control activities. In collaboration with the Jammu Municipal Corporation, thermal fogging has been conducted to kill mosquitoes in a phased manner, covering 75 wards of Jammu urban areas. Similar activities are being carried out in other districts like Samba, Kathua and Udhampur. Officials said, keeping in view the upsurge of cases, 155 beds have been dedicated for patients at GMC Jammu and all other district hospitals.